Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, original, official, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is how this box arrived. This was the box for a hyper tough folding platform cart, 300-pound capacity, but this is ridiculous. This is how the box got here at the post office. It's a miracle it got here at all. So this has to be assembled. Oh boy, does it have to be assembled. I'm not going to do it today. Uh-oh, you picked a bad time to go up the stairs. So, okay, sorry. So anyway, this is what's in here. A bunch of screws, tools, handle, instructions, and the cart itself. Now, when I get the time and the energy, there's the cart. So it will presumably at some point, there we go. I thought these handles would come out, but this will go under my couch, my sofa bed. But when I go get a monitor or take the computer to the Apple store or to fix that Mac for repair, well, I won't have to carry it anymore, which is why I got this. It's only cost me $30, except now I can't fold it back up again. Can't reach it. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I will show this when it is assembled, and hope I can figure out how to fold the handle back down again. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. It is windy, and it was nice and warm until I started doing this video. Now the wind's picking up, and it's getting nippy. All right, bye-bye for now. Have a great day. Stay warm and dry. And this is the cart. And yeah, I'm not happy the way it arrived. It shouldn't have arrived like that, for God's sake. So, well, the light doesn't do much good in the daylight. All right. It's around 2:30, I think, in the afternoon, by the way. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.